Hello beauty queens, AyuQuinn here. In this video series, I'm going to show you how to make natural scrubs with very simple ingredients. Our first video is making banana scrub. For this, you can use any banana variety. Subscribe me for 100% natural beauty videos. Banana is a great moisturizing body scrub for dry skin. It contains vitamin C and B6 and a large amount of antioxidants. Antioxidants are those which contain more benefits, such as correct signs of age and prevent sunburns. By reducing inflammation, antioxidants allow skin to repair itself and correct visible damages. So let's start. For this banana scrub, we only need bananas and sugar. Take a little bowl and take the banana peel it off. But don't throw banana peels away, keep it aside. I have a tip for you. Then cut the banana into pieces as you need it. Here I take half portion of this banana as this amount is enough for my face and neck. And then add 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. Then stir it well. The sugar helps to remove all skin cells. If you have a dry skin, you can add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, so it can moisturize your skin. If you have an oily skin, don't apply olive oil into the scrub. If you want more smooth paste, you can blend until completely smooth and then stir in sugar. Don't blend sugar as we want to have a raw sugar in our scrub as it is. Now our scrub is ready. I'm going to show you a demo by applying this into my hand. As I'm doing here, you can gently apply the scrub into your face and leave it to absorb to the skin for 5 minutes. Then gently rub and wash your face with cold water. After that, you can feel the softness of your skin. Then take the banana peels and cut them into small pieces. The most common thing we all do with a banana peel is to put them in the dustbin. However, it contains various wonderful uses for this frequently overlooked product. The peels can be used in your beauty routine. Then take one piece and rub it all over your face for 2-3 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water. It helps to remove acne and also the acne scars. Repeat it twice daily for instant results. And also banana peels help to treat facial wrinkles. It occurs when the skin loses its elasticity. Banana peels contain vitamin C and antioxidants, so it helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You can rub the banana peel all over your skin and leave it for 30 minutes and then rinse. You can repeat it 3 times a week. See you beauty queens in the next video. Bye bye.